So our former minister and Speaker of the House, Senator, at this point he's already been a trade unionist, a councillor, Pearnel Charles, is still with me on profile. And when we ended the last program, we were talking about 1976, with the state of emergency declared by the Manley government. You're perhaps, one would say perhaps the most famous person detained in that 1976 state of emergency for 283 days. In fact, it's the subject of one of your works, one of your 4 books, at Up Park Camp for 283 days, as I said. When you look back at that time, at that period in Up Park Camp, do you feel any kind of bitterness?
You know,
that's almost a year.
One has to have some feeling of bitterness. But I had a mother who we call an angel. Whenever we have a problem, we go to her. She sits you down. And she said, everything is a process. Everything has a development, an end, beginning and end. Between the beginning and end, you have to do certain things. And she said to me, get ready. You have a lot to do. And so I never got an opportunity to hate those people. And my ego is that you can't let me hate you. For example, I couldn't hate Michael Manley. I went to see him before he died. Had a good evening with him. Follow me? And asked him about, why did you detain me in 1976?
What did he tell you?
He said, Pearnel, I can look back to Jamaica House now, the exact words. There are 3 chairs around the Prime Minister's desk. 1 over there, 2 over here. I was sitting over there. The Commissioner of Police was sitting over there. And the Major General was sitting over there. One of them said to me, Prime Minister, if I don't get an opportunity, if we don't get an opportunity to detain Pearnel Charles immediately, today is Monday, we will not report or allow our men to report on Wednesday morning. He turned to me and said, Pearnel, if you were Prime Minister and you were confronted with that, what would you do? I say, I would lock you up.